YouTubers, it's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader, Co-Founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing the mid-morning commentary as I talked about here about 15 minutes before the hour of 11 o'clock Central Standard Time here. Right now we've got the Dow Jones down 126 points. We've got the NASDAQ down, Composite down 37 points. We've got gold down $26. Again, we've been talking about getting short gold and being short gold for I don't know how many months here on YouTube. Advancing issues are 500, decliners are almost 2,300. A bad day here on Wall Street, and it shouldn't surprise anyone here. We've been talking about the market being overbought. We thought it was ready and set up for some corrective price action. We're actually getting short Wynn Resorts today. Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. I think it's ludicrous. I think it was UBS came with an upgrade on the stock. Stock was sub 15, now it's over 30. Stock's more than double. I think it's crazy. What are they thinking here? I think it's a lot of short covering taking place here, and I think the stock is setting itself up for a nice decline back into the upper 20s. So it's something you might consider putting a partial position on right now, and then maybe adding a little more if you have to. But I think all in all, I don't think the fact that MGM this past couple of days talked about getting funding for the city center. I don't think any of this here means these stocks should be doubling and tripling from off their lows. Because the bottom line is that the economy and job creation is not there. The economy is still in the doldrums. We're going to continue to have job losses. So I don't think this move here is warranted at all. I think it's all mostly predicated upon short covering. So be it. I think Wynn Resorts is a great idea on the short side. And I think, some of the gold stocks, I think, are setting themselves up now for a potential buy. I'd like to see now tomorrow, I'd like to see gold go down, test those lows, take them out, and I want to see a little divergence on the gold stocks. Geez, some of these gold stocks are down 20% in the last 3 days of trading. And so that's another spot I'd be looking at heading into tomorrow. Even though I am long-term bearish gold as an investment, and I think an investment of gold on the short side, not gold on the long side, but I'm very, very bearish gold. I think gold is going sub 500. I think you can have an investment position short gold to play for sub 500, probably looking at $400 here an ounce in the coming couple of years. I think that is your best investment on the books. It should be short gold on the very shorter term. The next couple of days, next couple of hours, tomorrow morning, I'm going to look at quite potentially being a day trader in some of the gold stocks. Yes, I'm very bearish gold long term and the gold stocks longer term, but I may look to day trade some of these gold stocks here tomorrow morning if I get the right setup. Again, it's got to be the right setup. The setup's got to come to me. I'm not going to chase anything. I don't have anything else to add. Hope you guys are having a great trading day. And again, use stops on all of your trades if you're not using them. And look, I almost forgot to mention, if you're not making money in this market and you want to become educated, you want to learn a little technical analysis, you want to talk about the economy, you want to have a little fun, as opposed to thinking that this investing in day trading has to be work, go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. It is free, unlike a lot of other services. We don't ask for your credit card. We don't ask for anything. All we ask for is to fill out the subscription form correctly with your name, your address, your phone number, and all those types of things. If you don't fill out the information correctly, unfortunately, we're not gonna grant you a 3-day free trial, because that's all we ask in return is to just fill out the subscribe form correctly. But again, if you're looking for some great trading ideas and you're looking to become educated and beat Wall Street at their own game, for crying out loud, you gotta want to beat these guys at their own game. Don't get hooked up or sucked into their hype and all the spin meisters out there telling you what you want to hear. Beat them at their own game. Become educated. We're the source for doing exactly that. We'll be back at the end of the day with our closing commentary.